Lots of pollen coming in, lots of stuff coming in. They're very busy, aren't they? Look at them. So in there somewhere we've got a queen. Can we see the queen anywhere? Just get enough of them in there. Right. Hello. And I've got my bee catching kit, a little persuader, to make sure they go into the hive, and an old step box. Anybody who knows us from the past will remember these little boxes from the co-op club. Right, let's go and find out. Right, are you ready, Joe? Yeah, it's all right. Ready? Right, they're in. Let's get the lid on. Okay, they're in the hive. And they're flying in. There's a few flying in. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I think it's safe to say that the swarm know where their home is now. Look at this. You wouldn't have believed it unless you see it. About an hour later, hour and a bit, and as you can see, all the bees gone inside. They're now lovely, having a lovely time, looking at their new home. Now, obviously, it's not in the perfect position, but it is for now. Now, we'll leave that for about a week, and then we'll move it to a permanent site. Anyway.